week in New York. Let's film another week of what I wore this week. Starting today, we're in Brooklyn and we are heading to a Time Out market. It's basically like a huge whole food market. So I'm excited to try that, and I'm going to show you my outfit. It is so hot today, one of the hottest days. And I'm staying cool with this silk shirt I have to show you. It's just so pretty. Today's outfit, I'm staying cool in this really cool shirt. It's a silk shirt by Liang. And what I love is she's kind of painted. It's kind of like it's really loud. Still gonna pick up on my voice, but she's kind of hand painted the image. It's really cool. Silk, wearing my Bodega bag and just a denim skirt, just something cool and casual. That's my look. Oh, and these glasses. I forgot this store. It's so long ago in Soho.
Tombolo.
But it's an Italian brand and they have the coolest things. So cool, so cool. But yeah, they're new in my collection. And yeah, that's it. Look. Hi, new day, new outfit. I went shopping today, so I just have a casual outfit. Picked up these new jeans from And Other Stories. Love them, they're a Swedish brand. But they're really cool, they're flared, really fun. Uniqlo t-shirt, Chanel bag, and that's my outfit. I'll see you tomorrow for my outfit of the day. Good morning, new day, heading to brunch, and I just want to show my brunch outfit. It is the middle of October and it's 26 degrees. For the Americans, it is 77 Fahrenheit, is that right? And that's really warm because we're in the middle of fall. And I've even taken my coat out, so I don't know what's going on. But not complaining, gonna enjoy the day. This one wearing just a tank top from Mango. These linen pants you've seen, they're from Reformation, so good. And I'm taking this little Lady Dior out. It's been a while. It's such a good brunch bag, just fits the essentials. And these are from Tombolo, but they're an Italian brand that they stock. And yeah, that's the outfit. I'll show you probably the full outfit when I'm outside and actually standing up. Okay, bye. New day, and I'm in a big chunky sweater. The weather keeps changing day by day. This is like the in-between fall season, and this is how it goes in New York. One day you're in a tank top and the next you're back in a chunky sweater because it is raining heavily outside and it's cold. So this is what I'm wearing. I love this sweater. It's a beautiful purple sweater, and I don't think I own anything this color. It's just actually such a cool purple. And it's got the braid in the middle and it's just a chunky net. I would love to style this with like a mini skirt with stockings and boots, but instead I'm styling it with these trousers. They are just like white trousers. I usually wear these in the summer, but since it's that in-between weather, I can still wear it today. And I'm just wearing it with my fluffy slippers. I think I'm going to wear sneakers, just something comfortable. Did I mention we're going out for coffee and probably grab a bite? I feel like waffles. So probably coffee and a little bit of brunch food. I'm wearing sunglasses. These are the sunglasses I'm wearing. Super cash. And then my Dior bag. Oh, my Chanel bag. Sorry, my classic flap Chanel bag. This is what I'm wearing. Probably how I'll carry it. And yeah, this is the outfit. I love the trousers. I don't think I've ever worn these trousers with a net before, and I'm going to start doing that because it just looks so cool and it's actually very comfortable. I'm extremely comfortable right now. This is the perfect Sunday look for me. I will see you tomorrow for my outfit of the day. It's the weekend and heading to like run some errands, really, like taking this coat to get dry cleaned. This huge puffy Prada coat that gets me through every single winter in New York City. I love it so much. It's a goose down. Picked it up from Prada in 2019 and I wear it so much. It's honestly the best purchase in my closet. So I'm getting that dry cleaned ready for the winter months. But this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna go get some coffee and get some groceries, right? Trader Joe's. I need to go to Bloomingdale's, pick up some Nespresso pods, and that will be my Saturday afternoon. This is what I'm wearing, a cute little fall outfit. I need to actually lint roll this before I leave. But let's start from the top. This is from Uniqlo, just like a cute little jacket, velvet. This knit is my mother's. She gave it to me. It's from J. Crew, and it's the softest, most comfortable knit ever. J. Crew, seriously, their knits. I just picked up another one, and it's actually, the fabric is great and they're really comfortable. So, and they last a while as well. So yeah, check out J. Crew if you haven't already. Love. And then this little skirt is ALC, which I love. I love the length. I love how it fits. It comes with a matching coat, which is very cute. And then I'm wearing my Giuffon Vito Rossi boots. I was going to take that to the cobbler as well to get it ready for the winter months, to get them all cleaned and repainted and everything, but I'm going to wear them, so I might do that another day. And then, what else? Sunglasses are H&M, just some cheap $10 sunglasses, but they look great. And then my Chanel, I always wear this because it just goes with everything. And that's my full outfit. Okay, I will see you in the city, or maybe this is the end of the video, I'm not sure, but maybe for another outfit. Okay, bye. Good morning. Today is another day. It is Saturday morning and I am heading to get a facial, which I'm very excited about. I haven't had a facial in quite a while, so I'm looking forward to just clearing up my pores. I don't have any skincare on just because I'm heading there now. I do need to nourish and moisturize these lips. I'm using the Summer Fridays, just the lip butter balm, just the clear one. Love it. I'm popping that in my bag. But let me show you my outfit. Super cozy and casual but comfortable at the same time. I'm wearing this sweater, which is from J. Crew. Very warm and cozy. It's cashmere blend and I believe an alpaca blend as well. Very cute. Love the zip detail and the big dramatic collar. I am wearing these white trousers with my Puma sneakers, and super comfortable, by the way, if you're interested. And also I'm just wearing it with my Dior. I think the colors go really well. And then just something casual, which is these sunglasses from H&M. I need to take my wallet. Okay, and I'm ready to go and get a facial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I believe I shared about a full week of outfits that I wore in New York City, a bit of a transitional fashion haul, and I was just sharing basically how I style things, and honestly sharing how bipolar the weather is in New York City, because the weather is always changing and so is my outfits, and I just have to keep up with it. So I don't even know if I need a coat today, which the other day I did. And then one of the other days I was in a tank top. So it's just like pre-fall, fall outfits. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my little community here on YouTube. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.